Samspace81 here. I'm just outside of Terrell, Texas in Able Springs. Made a stop to check out Rob's place over at Street Machines and see what he's got going on. I know he's been working on a Vette. And here we are. He's always got some projects going on. Hello.
Yo.
Oh, he must be in the booth here.
Okay, you come in.
That's a Morgan. What's happening?
Hey, it's cool, you come in.
Oh, good. Let's see what Rob's got going on here. A Corvette.
Hey,
I smell
yeah, I imagine you smell.
some paint materials here.
It's a sealer. I just put a coat of epoxy sealer on this thing.
What year is this one? An 80? 80?
This is an 81. Doing pretty much everything on it. Interior, paint, wheels. All the body work's done. I just put on a coat of epoxy sealer that keeps any crap from working up through your paint.
I'm always a little hesitant. I don't like showing a lady getting dressed. You know what I mean? How's it turning out? Laid out smooth? Looks like it from initial.
Well, yeah, you know, it looks splotchy because some of it's drier than other where it's got filler and stuff.
Yeah.
I just shot this about 20, 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, it's still wet.
Yeah,
You got a sheen to it.
This is the epoxy sealer. Everybody got their own way. I'm gonna be back in here in about a half an hour or so and put a coat of yellow 2K primer over it, 2 coats, and then I'll sand that for surface to lay my paint on. It's starting to be Viper red.
Viper red.
Look at this car. It's got a nice 383 in it. Got all new leather interior for it. I recovered the seat covers. I recovered the dash.
Nice. Got it gutted out pretty good there.
Yeah. This is actually a fiberglass bumper, and the body line you see there, I totally recreated that. I fiberglassed this bumper onto the car. It really didn't match too good. They were about a 1/4 inch off. So I built the body up to match into it, and then I used a hacksaw blade to carve this about 16-inch deep body line around it. And it's actually all one piece back there, no separation.
The original butts on these cars are a urethane and they get a wave to them. See how the fiberglass butt's nice and straight.
Yeah.
Was this one busted or did you just replace it?
What
Damaged?
it just had all those terrible waves.
Yeah.
In them. It's over there in the corner, the other side of the door.
Yeah, this one's nice and straight.
I was kind of amazed myself that I managed to cut such a straight line across there.
Oh yeah, that's gonna finish out sweet, no doubt. Old school paper, no plastic. It works.
Yeah. Doing the jams and all.
Oh yeah. Got the tops out.
Yeah, this car happens to be a glass top car, so you don't have to paint seat tops. A little easier.
Well, cool. It's another one coming along.
Here's all the smaller pieces up here.
So what's going on with this Morgan? Give me a little rundown of the Morgan. I see it sitting over there kind of lonely.
I put a factory wiring harness in it because it had burned every wire in it where it shorted out some.
That's one I did a little prime work to that you painted.
Yeah, that's the car. I painted that car about 3 years ago.
I see it's back for
So I
something.
put a new wiring harness in it, and he had amp gauge rebuilt by a Morgan place. And I couldn't get it to do anything. Bench tested, didn't do anything. I sent it back to them. They said it's great. So I told them to send it back. No.
A little observation window.
Yeah. This is where the magic happens.
Well, cool. Until next time.
Yeah.